Hearing aids will help in a lot of the cases that we mentioned, so a lot of the sensory neural hearing losses, we can really help with hearing aids. But at Totalcare, we really do like to pinpoint what we think is best for you, because there's so many different styles of technology of hearing aids. I know it can be a bit overwhelming, so the audiologist will go through, what we think is best based on your lifestyle, your hearing loss, your budget, and it's a big long chat. We don't put any pressure on, and luckily at Totalcare Hearing we do offer a 2-week free trial period, so whichever hearing aid you choose to trial, you can always trial it for a couple of weeks. If you don't like it, that's fine, you don't have to purchase them, or we can try different styles and manufacturers. So if that's the path we want to take, we then organise further appointments to then go through the fitting of the hearing aids and follow-ups.